Hello, welcome. Dr. Niti here. So just want to touch base with the oil that we've been using because I got questions from people talking about what oil should they be cooking with. So I'm gonna shed light a little bit in that people and I used to think that vegetable oil is good for you. However, it's not. Because of the process, the highly processed vegetable oil, they use a chemical called hexane to extract the oil out of the seeds from the vegetables or the plants. And also in order to make it look good with the good color, smell and everything. So they have to deodorize, change the color. And so there's a lot of process for you to be able to you have this good looking and smell nice oil. That's why, because there's so many processes involved. But instead, if you use olive oil, for example, it's pressed. So there's no chemical extraction. It's naturally just mechanical extraction with the pressing. So that's why it's better. However, keep in mind about very high temperature, like deep fry. You don't use olive oil to deep fry because it's too high. Oxidative temperature is lower. Medium heat, coconut oil, it's good. And olive oil is good for low to medium heat, but not very high heat. Very high heat, avocado oil. It's a better option. It's good fat. But again, we are not suggesting that you should eat deep fried food. So minimize those food anyway. But if you have to, pick the right, better oil for the cooking method. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in. Love to you all. Subscribe, like, and share. And check out www.drniti.com, DOCTORNITI. Thank you so much. See you in the next video soon.